Hey Blush Beauty, this is a 5-minute makeup tutorial for you, but we are really focused on some techniques with brightening your eyes. So I have 2 new products that I'm going to test out with you today that I've actually never put on my face, but I'm excited to show you the difference that they make and see what you even think about it. So if you're into makeup tutorials and DIY, beauty and home, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button.
Hey girl, it's Amber. Welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm the #1 beauty educator helping you level up your beauty game. Go ahead and get your makeup bag out and let's get ready together.
All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have removed this off my face. Underneath what my foundation color is like the perfect match, so you really kind of can't tell, but you can see my little freckles. This is right here from Benefit. These are the brighteners and they have a lot to pick from. It says Bright on Concealer. Something I'm not a fan of is the packaging. I am not a baby, honey. Okay, and neither are you. But that's okay, girl. They're cute and it's gonna work and I'm excited about it. So, Benefit, thank you for coming through and let's see how we like these. Brighten, Color Correct. Help seal in skin, hydrate too. So, okay, well let's do that. Okay, so I got translucent powder and I have the light medium powder. So I'm not 100% sure which one I want to do, but I did want to get my setting spray because once I do the concealer here, I do want to set it and then I'm going to blend it out and then I'll do powder. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Pink on one side, which is going to be right here. And this is really going to correct any darkness or shadowing that you do have. So we're gonna do a little bit of pink on that side. Feels really good. Application went on nice. So I do enjoy that. I think the applicator has a lot of looseness with it, which I think is okay. I think it's going to definitely allow you to kind of have a little bit more movement. I kind of like more of a stiffer applicator. But okay, now what we're gonna do is we are gonna spray this, then we're gonna blend it out. Okay, so now let's take our setting spray, kind of lock it in and add a little hydrate to it. Okay, got a little drip on that one. And now let's blend. Flip it around this other side. Now do the pink. Can you see a difference already? I think the pink one is winning. Wow. Or maybe I'm just a blush girl. I don't know. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and get our foundation out too because I do want to finish up the edges of this. And it is a very, very thin concealer. Or brightener, so yeah, we're gonna play around with that real quick. So let's kind of give this, let's just see. Like, I'm not even joking. I like the pink. Like, that is a thing. Wow. Okay, I love it. All right, we're gonna take the blender and just pat it in there. This is a question y'all ask me a lot, which I love. But this is a wet beauty blender, but it's totally dampened because I also like squeeze it with this. So it's not wet, it's just like barely damp. Wow, oh wow. I am literally, this side just looks very neutral, right? Very neutral. This one maybe is like a no makeup look, honestly, like not really trying to do a lot. This one kind of gives that one. This one kind of gives more full glam. But I really actually love these. I love them. Okay, this was a quick tutorial. Okay, so which one can you see a difference with? What do you think? More of the pink, more of the yellow? Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you want to see more of an in-depth makeup tutorial, then I would be so happy to make you some with this that I just did and some extra techniques. All right, well, thank you for being here on my channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you in an upcoming video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you later, Blush Beauty. Bye, honey. Thank you for being here in today's video. This was so much fun and I love having you here on my channel. If you have not hit that subscribe button, make sure you do that before you leave. The next step for you is to head over to amberlykins.com. I have on this really fun shirt, Blush Beauty Collective. We go even further than we do here on my YouTube channel. So we have Zoom calls and we have amazing workshops. I have great downloads for you. I love giving you free gifts and lots of other amazing VIP perks. So go ahead and get into the Blush Beauty Collective and I cannot wait to see you there. It's a monthly membership or you can go ahead and get in for the year. All right, well, don't wait any longer. Go ahead and check that out on amberlykins.com. All right, well, I'll see you later, Blush Beauty. Have a great day.